Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively replace the battery in your Dell G5. First, power off your laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during this process. Once powered down, flip the laptop over to access the back panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. There are typically around 8 screws, so keep them in a safe place. After removing the screws, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually a rectangular shape and connected to the motherboard with a cable. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. Next, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. To do this, gently pull the connector out of its socket. Once disconnected, you can remove the battery by unscrewing any screws that may be holding it in place. Carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Now, take your new battery and place it into the compartment. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Secure the battery with the screws you previously removed. After that, reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is firmly in place. Before reassembling the back panel, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the back panel. Make sure all screws are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop. Our professional diagnosis without obligation ensures you know exactly what needs to be done before any work is carried out. Plus, you'll receive a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Once the back panel is secured, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced the battery in your Dell G5 laptop. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. No calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.